if you want to become a data analyst, a data scientist, or data engineer, you're probably already familiar with SQL, or you heard of it, or you practiced SQL before. Whether it's MySQL or PostgreSQL, they share the same basic syntax, but they're not totally the same. So you're on the right track, right? You should go to this channel and YouTube, Infinite BI, and TikTok, Infinite BI, where you will see videos we posted weekly about SQL, Python, and everything. And then you start doing your own exercise. You practice. There's pages online, AI that has exercise. You can practice your own. Let's say you learn the clauses and the functions, most common one in MySQL or PostgreSQL. This is Postgres, as you can see, and this is a e-commerce database, dummy data. So let's say customers, LSC, and then we can do where first let's call everything. Yep, and then we can add, we can filter down if you want. Let's say customers who was born. We got date of birth here. We can do address. We can do date of birth, anything, right? So that date of birth, greater than 2000, right? DOB, or we say greater than 2000 year from 2000, greater and equal than 2000. There you go. So, and then you can do more. You can start filtering. You don't want to get all those columns. You want to only select specific columns. We can say username. Let's say first name. See that first name. You can see have the, this is Postgres. As you can see, this is Postgres, right? That's why we got the double quote. But if you were MySQL, you didn't know, you won't have the double quote. See that we need last name. Okay, we need last name, only those two. There you go. So that is the customers, and then we can see what they ordered, like, right? First, let's see the order first. Let's take a look. The first thing in data analyst or data engineer, whatever you do, data scientist, is data exploratory, right? You need to see your data. What is it, right? So let's go with, let's see orders. Oh, what am I doing? There you go. So this is orders. We can come here in the schema. This is all the tables. Okay, shipping, return, product, orders, and all the detail. So you can see all the orders, where the total amount. You can see total amount is greater than, let's say, $1,000. So those are the orders with the total amount is $1,000, right? Now we can see. Now we can do more with this, right? We can get all the customers that has greater than, we purchase greater than $1,000. Let's say I'm gonna write it down right here as a comment. Customers who were born after year 2000 and make and made a purchase over $1,000, right? Okay, so we're gonna do those, this little query and this little query gonna both, right? You're gonna do together. So to do that, what we do, I'm gonna put it down here so you guys can see. So what we do, we say select first name, last name, and we already got a customer. So say left join, others, O, see that customer ID equal to O that customer ID. There you go. Now, we also need to see that total amount. So we can see O dot total amount, product ID. I can say, and can just copy this one. There you go. Okay, so those are the customers and what they ordered, right? Now, what else we can do? We can go down and say, let's see, instead of other, we can do all the detail on this one. Others detail. What's cost? All the detail, not others. All the detail. We done in this one. Let me comment it out. What? Okay, so this is the other detail. We got the product ID, you got a quantity, you got the unit price, the total, but this not gonna give me the product, right? What they ordered, most likely. But we got the product ID in this one. So now let's check the table product ID, the table product. I mean, okay, so we get the product ID, the product name, so we can see what they ordered. Let's see what they ordered, right? So let's see what they ordered. So we will say left join detail. What am I doing? All the detail on O dot order ID equal to OD dot order ID. And also we can also do left join because I'm looking for the product pay on OD dot product ID equal to P dot product ID. Okay, and then you got a product name, so I can add product name. The space P dot product name. There you go. And I can also get OD dot the detailed unit price, product ID, not unit price, quantity. Can get quantity. Yep, we can get quantity. There you go. Okay. So those are the customers. This is the product. This is the quantity. This is the amount per single purchase. So Molly, for example, we can see Molly uh, ordered like a lot. So if you will want only Molly, we can filter down Molly as well. And if you wanna, let's say we wanna remove all this, we wanna group by so you can see the total amount. Well, we already got the total amount, but we wanna make sure we have the total amount. For example, let's copy. I'm gonna remove those. We don't need them anymore. Let's just copy this one. So I'm gonna remove those join. Well, I don't really need to remove them. I can just remove those, and then you can group by those three. There you go. Now we can do sum. Sorry about that. Sum. And it's the sum. There you go. So those are the people, customers who was born after the year 2000 who made a purchase of $1,000, and those are the total they ordered. And can order by. Let's just copy this one. descending. There you go. We can add an alias if we want. Mm, total order. There you go. Now, okay, so those are the total, and over here we got the products what they ordered. Each one of them, each product they ordered. Now we got Molly. We can get Molly. Let's just get Molly. Only Molly. We can say and see that first name. We have two options. We can say like, but like will give us like is when we don't really know. We wanna like let's say anyone who has MO and the name. You can say let's say NO. Okay. Wildcard. MO wildcard. There you go. So anyone or anyone will say the error. Oh, I got it. We're using wildcard. Yeah, there you go. Oh, so there's no one who start with M. Oh, that's weird. We got Molly. Molly start with M. Oh, there you go. But if you wanna specifically say Molly, we can say first name equal Molly. So we know Molly, right? This is the correct spelling. So we got the same error we have earlier. There you go. Now, basically, there's more function. You can practice more. Remember, the more you practice, the more you know, the more hands-on material you have. You can, talk about it and show people you actually know what you're doing. This is how you get better, right? You practice every day. 20, 30 minutes, everything, anything you want to do, you have to practice 20, 30 minutes a day. Python, MySQL. Once you know those functions, the basic syntaxes, and then you can go more, get more like create database, the view, the CTEs, the nested functions, the data type and everything, those, and then you can go more further and further, right? So let's go, guys. Practice. Remember to follow us, subscribe, and share the video with other people.